Just for Men Mustache Beard, dark brown, M45, is beard coloring that makes getting rid of gray facial hair easy. Unlike other dyes, it restores your natural beard color, thicker and fuller look. This men's beard coloring product is easy to use. Simply mix the color base and developer, use the brush to apply, wait 5 minutes, rinse the product out, shampoo, and you're done. Be sure to read and follow the enclosed leaflet for the best results. Choose from 12 different shades ranging from blonde to jet black. When in doubt or unsure of which to choose, always go with the lighter shade. Brush included and is designed to distribute color with ease. Now formulated with biotin, aloe, and coconut oil. Up to 3 applications per box. Apply as often as needed. Every man is different, so our product is here when those gray hairs begin to grow back. Works well on any type of facial hair, beards, mustaches, soul patches, goatees. Great for touch-ups. For the best results, make sure to follow all instructions included in the package, perform a skin allergy test 48 hours before use, and always use the gloves provided to avoid staining. 5 easy minutes. Eliminates grays for a thicker, fuller look. More guys trust their facial hair to Just for Men Mustache Beard because our beard dye is specially designed for coarse facial hair. In 5 minutes, gray is gone. As a bonus, facial hair feels softer and more manageable. Made with biotin, aloe and coconut oil. Can't decide between 2 shades? Try the lighter one first. You can always go darker later. Made in the USA. Top reviews from the United States. Easy to use. I used this to dye my brows lol. But it is very easy to use and works very well.